Are you an African living abroad, always sending money back home? What if, instead of just paying bills, you could start something that actually grows something that feeds families, creates jobs, and builds your wealth over time? Let's talk about poultry farming, Africa's hidden gold mine. Here's the reality: Africa's population is booming, and the demand for chicken and eggs is set to double by 2030. Why? Because poultry is affordable, accessible, and everyone eats it. Whether you're in Lagos, Accra, or Nairobi, chicken is always on the menu. Now, you might think starting a business back home is tough, but here's the thing: poultry farming is one of the easiest entry points. It costs way less than real estate, and thanks to technology, you can monitor your farm from anywhere in the world. Start small: 500 broilers, 300 layers, and scale as you learn. Apps like Cooply or even simple security cameras help you keep an eye on things from afar. Every year, Africans abroad send over $95 billion in remittances. Most of that money is spent, not invested. But if you put it into a poultry farm, you're building a business that pays you and supports your people. Picture this: one farm in Uganda now supports 4 workers and feeds over 150 families every week. Governments and NGOs are ready to help, offering incentives, training, and support for agribusinesses. And when you partner with trusted locals and use the right tools, you can manage risk and grow with confidence. Remember, you may live abroad, but your impact can still be felt at home. So would you invest in poultry farming? Drop your thoughts below.